What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, the kind people over at Poetic was kind enough to send me out the Poetic Guardian MagSafe Galaxy S25 Ultra case. This is the black clear. So we're just going to unbox this and I'm going to give you a look at what it looks like on the device. And I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. So, like I said, I love when a case company gives you the choice of rocking the front housing with the film or without the film. And I typically go for without the film. So, let's just install this one without the film. So, you can see what it looks like if you have your own screen protector installed. So, you just want to peel everything off like so. You just want to peel at the corner here. Take it off just like that. Pick up your S25 Ultra. Place it in like so. Just like that. Make sure you get a nice snug fit. This is what the front is going to look like. Then I like to pick up the back and just put it in like so. Make sure everything is snugged in there. Just like that. Make sure everything clips. And this is what you are going for. You do have a nice lip. So if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will have nothing to worry about. I just recommend you throw a screen protector on top, because this is the one to where you do not have the screen protector film on top. But this is the way I love to rock a device, with my own screen protector and no screen protector film on top. You do get your power button, volume up, volume down, nice and clicky, no problem. You do get those ridges for grip protection, no problem. You do get your USB-C charging cable port, no problem. You get easy access to your S Pen, no problem at all. Over here you do get some ridges once again. You get your feet for drop protection. If your phone drops and hits the corner of the ground, should be good to go, no problem. Turn it over to the back. There's your MagSafe ring for MagSafe charging and MagSafe wallets and so on and so on. You do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the back, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. Let me get a magnet real quick so we can see if it will stay. Put it on like that. This is a pretty strong fit. The phone is not going anywhere. So like I said, you can throw wallets, pop sockets, so on and so on. Whatever has MagSafe built into it, you can throw it right on the back of there and you will be good to go. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.